Crispin, stalwart pillar of respectability.
Yeah.
We have an inquiry.
Who are the Wings of Resistance?
Don't censor my heroism. The children need to know.
Yes, tell us of the gore.
How many bones protruded from animal flesh?
Many in your position feel a tremendous sense of guilt, suffocating, like a ferret with a scarf in its throat.
Huh. Maybe I hate myself.
Do not worry, my fellow feathered and long-necked friend. I have every intention of helping you.
You better, you pouch-mouthed motherfucker.
Heroes were born that day, hatched from eggs of iron, fed by yolks of flame.
Yolks of flame?
Yolks of flame!
What do you mean, pfft?